Welcome, I'm David Ricks. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer in Rancho Cucamonga and the principal of the Inland Empire Law Group. I want to help you understand legal fees in a personal injury case. Most attorneys that handle personal injury claims will do it on a contingency fee basis. What does that mean? That means that the attorney will provide his or her services and his office services for a period of time until the collection of a settlement or a judgment in a case. That's called a contingency. In other words, if the attorney is able to successfully recover a certain amount of money for you, then that attorney will receive a percentage of that recovery as compensation for the work that was provided in obtaining that recovery. Now, those attorneys' fees vary significantly between attorneys, and those are the things you want to look into when you're evaluating whether to hire an attorney. You want to make sure that you understand the legal services agreement. How much is this attorney charging me for the services he or she's going to provide me? And do those attorneys' fees change at certain periods of time? For example, in our office, we utilize a 1/3 recovery as our retainer agreement to a certain point in time. So, in other words, if a person was to receive a $100,000 settlement, 1/3 of that amount would be paid for the services rendered by the attorney. Now, as you approach the point of trial, that fee may change because of the significant additional work that has to be done right near the point of trial or even into trial. Again, as an example, in our office, it will go up to 40% once you're within 30 days of trial or through trial. Now, that may seem like a lot of money overall, but in reality, the amount of work that's put into a case to try to get it resolved for the client is a significant amount of work. Doing depositions, preparing pleadings, attending various hearings, things of that nature, and understanding that it's not just a matter of time, but it's a matter of the skill set, the experience, the education that an attorney has that brings to bear value for the purpose of helping you get the best recovery possible. Other attorneys may have different triggering points in their retainer agreements. Those triggering points are important to know because it may end up resulting in a significantly higher fee that you have to pay than what you could obtain with, for example, the Inland Empire Law Group. So as you're evaluating attorneys, look at their retainer agreements, ask questions, make sure you understand at what point fees change and how those fees are going to be calculated in the end.